Scott Doolan here at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Harris 250 Crowne. So the Crowne is the top trim level in the Harris fleet, and it is loaded with all the options. So starting from the back of the boat, there is a flip down swim platform. That's going to rest 6-10 inches underneath the back of the water. It will make it very easy for kids to get in and out of the water, or if you go boating with pets, it can make it very easy for them to get in and out of the water also. This one comes stock with a Mercury Racing 400 Verado R. So 400 horsepower. It's going to make this boat absolutely fly. Tons of power for tubing, skiing, any of the water sports you want to do, you can do it with this boat. Safety railing inside the vertical supports of the ski tow bar. It prohibits kids from falling down in there and getting stuck down in the engine well. 4-step telescoping ladder. Foot controls for your ladder. It is powered, so it is a press button to lower and press button to raise. Over here, large built-in cooler. Storage underneath your main sun pad. Swim up remote control for your stereo, so you don't have to get out of the water if you want to turn your volume up or change channels or fast forward songs. It's just right there next to the boat for you. Flip-flop backrest. This is a powered backrest. It does allow the seat to move forward and aft for you just at the push of a button. There's also a secondary remote control there it is as well. Moving up to the dash, upgraded JL audio system on the boat. It does have a subwoofer. It does have an amp. There are 10 speakers on board the boat. Tons of volume, tons of bass. Works very, very well for you. Simrad color chart plotter GPS. It's a GPS unit. It's a chart plotter. It's downscan sonar. It's also a full-blown navigation unit. So very, very nice one to have. All the controls for all of your lights are over here. Push button start. It's nice having a push button on a pontoon boat because if you don't have keys to the boat, you can't forget them and leave them at the house. You can't drop them overboard. Just push button to start the boat. Mercury active trim. Now your tilt and trim is done for you automatically while you're underway, so no more messing with it to get you up on plane and to get a smoother ride. It's all done automatically for you. And the Bimini control, because it is there, the binnacle control, excuse me, because it's an electronic engine, it's all done digital. No more cable connecting this to your engine. So it makes the shifting in and out of gear much, much smoother and extends the life of your clutch on your engine. Moving up towards the front, flip down armrests on all of your chase lounges. Storage built into all of your chases, and there is the large subwoofer for the JL audio system. There are plastic inserts underneath all the seats, so every storage bin underneath the seat can all be used also as a built-in cooler. One of the things that really sets this model apart from all the other pontoon boats out there is the water sports tower. So, fully enclosed tower, does have removable tinted T-tops inserts for it, and it is a power tower. So if you keep the boat on a lift or keep it on a hoist and you want to raise and lower your tower, it is all done here at the dash with the push of a button. That'll lower down to about 1.5 feet above the top of your windshield, make it significantly easier if you're going to keep a boat on a lift or if you've got low storage getting into your garage. The front Bimini top is removable. However, if you wanted to open it, it would give you full shade all the way back here to the transom of the boat. So really cool boat. It looks completely different than any other pontoon boat you've probably ever seen. If you want information on this or any of the other pontoon boats I have, give me a call at 301-501-7123 or shoot me an email at scott.doolan@marinemax.com. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you soon.